Hi there, thanks for emailing me about your submission to the My IT Lab system for Chapter 5. So let's scroll down until we can see what step the system didn't like. I think it was, there it is, step 7. So anytime points are deducted in My IT Lab, here's what I want you to do. Log into the My IT Lab, go to the gradebook section, and one of the options for each homework assignment, there's a ... click that little icon and choose View Submission. I have a whole separate video on how to check your results that'll walk you through all of those steps. Okay, so once you get there, so I'm viewing your submission, I see that step 7 had a point deducted. What I want you to do is click the down arrow to see what exactly didn't the system like about it. And so then it tells us in cell G105 of the sales sheet, the content was not set to 72. Okay, so I have your spreadsheet open. Let me move it over here. Oh, my mouse is just so not great. All right, stop. Oh. All right, here we go. So in cell 105, what you typed was 72 days. And in the real world, this is right. This is what you put in your email too, and I know it too, right? In the real world, that answer is correct. But what the system was looking for was just 72, nothing else. So I want you to think of My IT Lab this way. It's every once in a while in our lives, we're going to have this kind of boss. I've had this kind of boss. You may have had this kind of boss where the answer is right, but it's not done the boss's way. And so we're just going to satisfy the system. So I went ahead, you might have seen in the last window, I corrected the score, giving you the point for this because your answer is right. But in the future, I'm going to ask that you revise any of your submissions and resubmit them to get the points back. And the reason is because it actually, on purpose, we use this system. It really does instill with us a higher level ability to pay attention to the details. And when you can give a boss exactly what he or she wants, that it turns out that's good for your career too. It's not about like satisfying the boss actually. It's about being able to pay attention to those differences and being able to see how different people want things different ways. And so it really is a really good skill to develop. Irritating, I'll give you that, but good in the end. So if you have any other questions though, if you ever resubmit or whatever, you are always welcome to email me. In fact, if it gives you a response and you can't quite figure out how to fix it, just email me and we'll walk it through together. All right, you're doing a great job in class.